As I'm walking the grounds of a park, I start to question the trees. I ask them how they know exactly what they need to create. What is it in them that allows them to consistently create, shed, fix themselves? During the fall, they shed their leaves and they're okay with it. They don't seem to grieve. During the summer, the spring, they come back in full force and they thrive. They use the resources that are available for them. Sun, rain, soil. Somehow they just seem to get it right in every season. The humans struggle. We struggle to create